Welcome back, everybody. I hope you're having a great day. Today we're going to make and can summer relish. You'll need cucumbers, onions, sweet peppers or hot peppers, canning or pickling salt, vinegar, sugar, and celery seed. And here is my assistant Daniel. I'm cutting up the cucumbers. These are big cucumbers, so I'm going to get the seeds out of them, and Daniel's going to chop them up into the food processor. Relish is a good way to use up all those big cucumbers that you can't use for anything else. My husband got this recipe from a co-worker, and it's really good. You'll need 4 quarts of cucumbers. Daniel is cutting up the onion to fit in the food processor. He's going to chop that. You'll need 5 medium onions chopped. He's also adding the sweet peppers. You'll need 3 large sweet peppers chopped up. Next, you'll add your mix to the bowl. Add in a half a cup of salt. Mix that in real good. Then add lots of ice over top to cover it up, and let that set for 3 hours. Then in a pot, you'll combine 3 cups of vinegar, 5 cups of sugar, and 1½ tablespoons of celery seed. Next, you'll drain your mixture really well. Then add this to your vinegar mixture and bring to a boil. I have my jars in the water bath canner, getting hot. You fill your jars to a 1/2 inch headspace, debubble. Wipe the rim of your jar. Put a lid and a ring on fingertip tight. Put it in the canner. After all your jars are in the canner, you bring it up to a boil. You water bath can for 15 minutes. If you are below 1,000 in elevation, you can for 10 minutes. Once the timer's up, turn your canner off. Take your lid off for 5 minutes and then remove your jars. Place them on a towel somewhere where they won't be bothered for 24 hours. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a blessed day.